Service in Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Dodge County in southeast Wisconsin, Jefferson County in southeast Wisconsin, Kenosha County in southeast Wisconsin, Milwaukee County in southeast Wisconsin, southwestern Ozaukee County in southeast Wisconsin, Racine County in southeast Wisconsin, eastern Rock County in south central Wisconsin, Walworth County in southeast Wisconsin, southern Washington County in southeast Wisconsin, Waukesha County in southeast Wisconsin, until 10 o'clock p.m. At 9 o'clock p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and destructive hurricane-force winds in excess of 80 miles per hour. These storms were located along the line extending from 6 miles south of Swinger to Potter Lake to Harvard and moving east at 35 miles per hour. Locations impacted include Pewaukee, downtown Waukesha, Sussex, Lake Geneva, Menominee Falls, Wind Lake, Brookfield, New Berlin, Muskego, Elm Grove, Wauwatosa, Hales Corners, West Tallis, Mequon, Tiensville, Brownie, Franklin, Greendale, and Twin Lakes. These storms have a history of producing widespread wind damage across south central and southeast Wisconsin. This is an extremely dangerous situation. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. Intense squall lines can occasionally produce brief tornadoes in addition to widespread significant wind damage. Although not immediately likely, for your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of your home or business. This storm has the potential to cause serious injury and significant damage to property.